It's fine, your sister. I heard it. I heard it. Go inside. Go there. I heard your sister. Or I don't know if it's a boy. You stay here. Go. Go there. Hiding. Don't follow me. Or you will be caught by big truck. I know it's a boy or girl. Hey, where are you going? Good. I heard it. I heard it. Meow meow. Meow meow. Meow meow. Meow meow. Meow meow. Meow meow. Meow. Meow meow. Come here. Let's go home. Meow meow. Scared for snake, May. Where are you? Yes! Oh, there you are. Yes! 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 Meow meow! Hoy! Come here! How can I help you? Yes! Come! Let's go to the house. I have fish there. Meow meow! Meow meow! Mix! Mix! Come here! Come here! Uy, dali! Mix! Ming! Dali na, Ming! Uy, gihangak na ko, Ming. Ming, dali! Uy! I'll get the fish. Pagdali, Ming! Magkuha sa akong fish, Ming. Para makuyog ka na ko. Ay, hangak. Did not let me. Your sister don't wanna come. Where's the fish? I'll get it. Sorry. The fish is here. Mini ants. Oh. Oh, you eat it. Yes. Try to give it to small baby. Meow meow. There we go. Here. Yes. Meow. Ah. Meow. Ah. Yes. Meow. Uy, dali na. Ming. You smell that? Take it ang lamok. Dali. Meow meow. Meow meow. Yes. Uy, dara ah. Yes. Yes. Kita, Ming. Yes. Ah. Yes. Ay, amang kapaingan. Pa ako na ughasan eh. Ay, haguan man mo. Oy. Di man ka pakuha. Yes. I'll rescue you, Ming. I gadlock. Ah. Teka. Sabot ka. Asa lang po ka paingan? Hoy! Pakuha. Ming, mo juga hago-hagon, Ming. Asa na ka?